In harsh environment, delivery task has always been dangerous, ineffective, and costly. Now, Bro new generation Y60 delivery drone will bring a new solution for aerial transportation. Bro Y60 drone, especially designed for delivery, adopts folded structure with compact structure, much easier to load and transport among different locations. Dual battery design extended the flight time greatly. With 30 kilograms payload, max flight time is 20 minutes. To meet the needs of short distance and larger load transportation, you can also switch to single electric transportation. In single electric mode, 40 kilograms payload, the flight time is 9 minutes. Max data transmission distance is 10 kilometers. It is suitable for long distance and heavy payload delivery task. Equipped with high-resolution triaxial gimbal camera, real-time adjusting, all the surroundings are all in your sight. Max flight speed 20 meters per second and equipped with large volume cargo box. Quick request and quick reach. Bro Y60 is very good at flying over the sea, lake, or river. Strong anti-wind capability and stable flying. Bro Y60 can withstand extremely harsh environment, high altitude, hot weather, raining, cold and windy. Supports one remote controller for multi-drones. Execute different operation routes at the same time, efficient and stable. Heli delivery has always been one of the difficult situations. Bro Y60 is capable of working along hills, mountains or forest. Supports cargo mode and witch mode swapping to meet varying delivery needs. If the destination doesn't have a safe landing site, once the drone arrives at the destination, a single tap will automatically lowers the cargo. When the cargo reaches loading surface, the winch system will release the cargo. Bro Y60 delivery drone has met various working environments, such as solar panel transportation, express transportation, and emergency supplies. Bro Y60 devoting to offer a comprehensive, economic, safe, and efficient delivery solution. Fly over mountain,